Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over some brand new products from Charlotte Tilbury. Now I am so excited about this collection. I have been waiting for this palette in particular to come out ever since I saw the first sneak peek. I was like, I have to have it. I think it was even in black and white. I think the first sneak peek I saw of this was in black and white and I was like, oh, gotta have it, gotta have it. And here we are. So I have the GLOGASM face palette in LIGHTGASM to show you guys, as well as all three of the GLOGASM Beauty Light Wands, the highlight blush, and two of the eyes to mesmerize in Star Gold and Rose Gold. So let me go ahead and get into the details, the swatches and everything, and then I will do the demo of all the products. So let me get on the Charlotte Tilbury website. There are two different versions of the GLOGASM face palettes. There's this one right here, which is LIGHTGASM. This is the lighter version. I should open it up and show you. This is what it looks like. And then the other one is called LOVEGASM, and it's a deeper version. This retails for $75, and I do not think that it's limited edition because I did not see anywhere it's saying that it's limited edition. It says it's a 4-shade palette with bronzer, blush, and megawatt highlighter. Charlotte's complexion enhancing GLOGASM face palette is a GLOGASMIC Prisma highlight multi-glow love blush and bronze for all over love light rainbow effect skin and eye gilding. This is the most. It features 4 gorgeous glowing shades to enhance every skin tone and will bring instant magic to your makeup look. Now let me go ahead and show you the swatches. Light It, it's a soft champagne to highlight and illuminate your features. Glow It, layer your level of illuminating glow. Pop It, a youthful rosy blush to illuminate your skin. And Bronze It, a neutral cocoa to tone, sculpt, and define contours. Now let's move on to the Beauty Light Wands. Each of these retail for $38. They do have a trio that you can get for $100. And then there's also the option to pick your palette and pick one of the wands, and it's $100 for the combo. These two shades, PEACHBASGM and PINKGASM, are high blushers, so you can use these for blush. And then this one is a liquid highlight, and this is called GLOGASM. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches for these. And then lastly, I picked up two eyes to mesmerize. I have a Star Gold as well as Rose Gold, and these retail for $32 a piece. Now let's go ahead and get into the demo. Now, I am currently Casper the Ghost, so we need to add some color to this face. So I'm going to start off by bronzing with this shade right here and a clean BOM 36 from Royal & Langnickel. This is a natural hair brush. All the brushes I'm using today are clean because I want to make sure that there wasn't any kind of extra color from another bronzer or blush or anything like that. Really like the color of this. It's really pretty. It's soft and skin-like too. I'm going to use both of the blushes in the palette, but I don't want to have one side one color, one side the other color. So what I'm going to do is start off with this shade right here, and I'm going to take that on a Sonia G Cheek Pro, and I'm going to start off on the back side. It has a beautiful glow to it. Now I'm going to go in with the Rephr 04, and I'm going to take the pink shade. I'm going to go a little bit more on the cheek area with this. I have all three of the GLOGASM Beauty Light Wands. I'm going to try and go in with the peach shade and just bring a little bit right here and see what I can do with that, but I'm not going to apply it directly onto the skin. You can twist this and it has an on and off, so just a little circle motion right there. But what I'm going to do is actually put this on a sponge. So you can see I have it on the sponge. I'm just going to add that right here. I actually think that looks really pretty, not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna highlight and I'm gonna go in with my A23 in the shade right here. And oh my gosh. That is so gorgeous. Yes, that's beautiful. Glow Recipe Face Mist, and then I'm going to buff over everything, and then after I do that, we will move on to the eyes. I'm going to start off with the eyes to mesmerize in rose gold and a Wayne Goss number 26S. This is a synthetic brush. I'm going to start just tapping this on the lid. I do have my eyes primed, but I don't have like this part of my eye set, just underneath the brow. I'm slowly going to start working the excess from my brush upward. I'm going to do this a few times because I feel like that's just the easiest way. Start on the lid and then bring the excess upward. Tom Ford number 12. And I'm just going to apply this to the lower lash line. This is the synthetic version as well. You can use natural brushes, natural hair brushes with these, but I'm just using synthetic. Now I'm going to switch over to the shade Star Gold on a Wayne Goss 05. And I'm just going to place this right at the lash line. This isn't going to be a big color difference. I just want to have a little hint of this right at my lashes. MAC 242, I'm dipping back into the highlight shade from the palette. I'm going to highlight my brow arch. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the pink shade for my inner corner. After I get this done, I'm just going to go add on some mascara. All right, final thoughts on everything that I purchased. First off, I'm just going to go with the easy ones, the two eyes to mesmerize. Both of these shades are beautiful. I like this formula. I love cream shadows like this. It's just like you can put it on really effortlessly, throw it on and run out the door, and they're so beautiful. And I love both of these colors. So that was easy. And then I was shocked by the, what are these called? The Beauty Light Wand Highlight Blush, the GLOGASM ones. I never tried the contour ones because of the applicator, and I was a little skeptical with these, but I really wanted to try them. So when I first swatched these, I was like, there's no way that this is going to work for me. But luckily, the way it applies on the skin and blends out, I think it is beautiful. This gold one, I might have to gift over to Kelsey because I think that this is just going to be a little bit too dark for me, but I might hold out for the summertime and see. I think that this is definitely going to look beautiful on tan to deeper skin tones. Really, all of these are going to work on a tan skin tone. They're all going to be beautiful. It's not too over the top. Like, it doesn't have a whole lot of sheen to it, there's no sparkle, which I really, really like. So the formula on these are beautiful. They're gel-like, they're skin-like, they go over powders really well. So I was super impressed with these. I will say my favorite one is the one that I used today, and I know I haven't even put these on yet, but I just prefer this type of color to pink on my skin for blush, but these are beautiful. Now for the actual palette. This is stunning. I am in love with this. This is so stinking pretty. I really was concerned about how this was going to look on my skin because, like I said, I don't typically go for something this pink, but how everything played together just was magical. I love the way my skin looks right now, and this is going to work on anybody who is fair all the way to, I would say, tan. Now, there is another palette that is going to work for deeper complexions. I haven't seen that one. I do believe Kelsey will be reviewing both of them, if I'm not mistaken. I think she told me she was getting both. So make sure you check out her channel if you want to see the darker palette, but I am in love with this. Now, I did get quite a few comments asking me to compare it to this palette right here, which is the Chloe and Malika BFFs collection, and I've got the Chloe one. So I'm going to show you first them side by side. As you can see right here. So this is the same kind of concept. You've got a highlighter, you've got two different blushes, and a bronzer. Now, the formula on both of these, neither one of them are that powdery type of formula. It's not a traditional powder, but the formula on both of these aren't the same either. I think that this one is just a little bit more on that gelée, thinner texture, more highlighty than this one is. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches. So you can see the Becca one is up top, and then the Charlotte Tilbury one is down below. The Becca one definitely has two blushes that lean more on the peachy side. The highlighter is just a little bit darker, and the bronzer is just a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to show you a clip, like a video of my hand moving, so you can really see the difference in shine. I do feel like the Charlotte Tilbury one just has just a little bit more of the shine factor to it, but it's really flattering on the skin. I recommend both of these palettes. I would say if you want to have a little less of a highlight kind of feel, I would go for this one. You're still gonna get a sheen, you're still gonna get a glow, but I think that this one is just a little bit more glowy, and I like the bronzer in this one better. I still love this one, but I like this one better. If I was going to pick between the two, I would go with the Charlotte Tilbury, but again, this is in my top drawer. I grab for this a lot. I love this palette. Both are great. I don't think that this one is limited edition, whereas this one is. So if it's a case of you want both, you need to get your hands on that one first. But I'm so happy. Like I just love this. This is like a no makeup look for me. I just think it's beautiful. It's fresh, and I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm over the moon with it. So you guys let me know what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about my skin and my highlightedness, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.